Alright guys, witness the true cleanest river in the world. Yeah guys. Yeah, guys. Ayan guys. Oh, napakalinaw talaga guys. Oh, ganda pala dito guys. Oh. Pero, hindi to dagat guys. Ayan guys. Talagang ang ganda-ganda talaga na. Ano to guys? River lang ito guys. Rivers. Oh. Wow. Ang ganda-ganda talaga guys. Mga kala guys.